I'm gonna tell you guys something, man. Someone asked me why I love YouTube so much. Question, why I love YouTube so much. It gets me to connect with people who I don't ever see in my life. Craig, big up yourself, because you're one of them also. Here's his name. So many people, man. So here it goes. I'm gonna be going to it. Excellent. So we have, I'm using one large cucumber right here. So I'm going to put in the cucumber. All right, just like this. This is the way I'm doing this drink. Is I must remove the skin. It's very powerful and effective because number one is cucumber are very good for dehydration and also promote weight loss, and the list goes on. All right, yeah, very, very beautiful recipe at home. If you are looking for something, yeah, to detox the body, then we're gonna get some ginger. Okay, yeah, lots of ginger inside of it. Yeah, beautiful. Now we are going to get lemon. I'm just gonna simply remove the skin from the lemon. Yeah, excellent. So we're gonna put one lemon inside of it like that. All right, that's one whole of lemon, guys. Is that amazing? Then wow, okay, we're gonna get some water, little bit of water. You don't need too much. Of about half cups of water I've been using, so you don't need too much water. Cucumber is water. All right, then put on the lid. This is amazing. I love this one. It says cucumber, ginger, and lemon. All right, and as I say, you don't need too much water, just a little bit of a water. And what we're gonna do, we're going to take excellent. Wow, look at that. That's smelling amazing. All right, now, so normally I don't really too strain my juice then, but yeah, I'm gonna run this through my strainer. That's amazing drink, man. I'm using the bigger one, so it's good. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys something, man. Someone asked me why I love YouTube so much. The question, why I love YouTube so much. It gets me to connect with people who I don't ever see in my life. Craig, big up yourself, because you're one of them also. Yours is in so many people, man. It's unbelievable. You know what I mean? The love, sometimes there's joy and peace, man. Yeah. So, you know, it's amazing. Look at that. Nice cucumber juice. I just make it. I just made that an amazing cucumber juice with lemon and ginger for my members. Fantastic juice. Yes, it's sad that it's me gonna have to drink it, but no problem. I'm telling you, because you guys can get this in the supermarket for buy. The cucumber. Alright. Cucumber. Cucumber juice. Pour it out. Wow. That is amazing and fantastic juice, guys. Trust me. Beautiful, simple, delicious, and yeah, I know you guys can make this at home. Definitely, without no problem. Craig, big up yourself. And the other rest of people who are watching, really appreciate you guys. You are so beautiful, amazing, and yeah, I know you guys can do this kind of juice at home, and that's why I did it, because cucumber, lemon and ginger is one of the best, especially if you're a person who are interested in losing weight and also detoxing the body. Also, you can put some chia seeds in it. It's amazing. Also, that's why I did this juice. I got lots of things can make juice, but this one specifically is very good to help you with the immune system. My beautiful people, and this is for my members. I really appreciate you guys, and you are amazing. And every Monday or Tuesday, or sometime during the week, I will be doing members videos. Once again, just don't forget to get yourself a copy of the book. It's on Amazon, 50% off, and everyone who buy a copy supporting my little one on Good Vibes. This month is for my son. I tell you, what I mean, every copy sell is going for my son. Appreciate you guys. Love on all, big up on yourself, and I'll see you tonight with part 2. Bye bye.
Smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove to embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather around the fire tonight.